What's going on, YouTube? Isaac Strayed here. Yes, it's been a while. I haven't really been doing too much videos. There's a lot going on in the world, if you haven't noticed yet. But if this is your first time tuning into my channel, please remember this is not a recommendation to buy or sell anything, and I am not a fucking financial advisor. Now, let's talk about Genprex. Genprex is one of my PDUFA, FDA, anticipation kind of drug plays, whatever the hell you want to call it. We have a drug that's supposed to be, well, it actually has the FTD from the FDA, which is a fast track designation, which pretty much puts them front and center, gives them indirect contact with the FDA, so that way things run a little bit smoother with their drug approval. Now, what's going on in the world? It's unfortunate. There's a lot of BS going on out there. There's a lot of what I call white noise, which is static, and it's very distracting. Now, what this is doing, though, is it's giving you an opportunity to load up on some more of what you feel, or load up more on your conviction level, especially the ones that have the highest, right? That's a better way to put it. The assets that have the higher conviction level, the highest, are the ones that you want to add to, and the ones that with the lowest, you'll add a little bit to, dabble your feet in here. Genprex, I like Genprex a lot. I think this one's gonna have a promising future. The last drug that I've came across, which is the same one right now, got the FTD for the AstraZeneca cancer treatment, which was back in 2020. This new one is almost in direct correlation, but not direct correlation, with Merck. Merck is a very big company out there. Merck is supposed to get their FDA approval for this Keytruda, the Keytruda drug. Like, now this is two different drugs we're talking about here. There's a Keytruda one for Merck, and then there's this guy right here for some other fucking company. Like, there's a lot of them going on. All I know is, hell, they're for cancer, and that's a pretty big. It's pretty big, right? There's a lot of people that are going to benefit from it. There's a lot of people that need it. So that's why I like Genprex. Now, what have I been doing with Genprex? I haven't been buying shares. No, I haven't. I've been buying contracts on Genprex, but with plenty of time on there. And yes, I have actually lost a lot of money on Genprex with the contracts. I do have quite a bit of shares over here, but right now I'm focusing on contracts. My theory with these contracts is, if I stay at the 250 strike and I keep buying these ones, especially with more time, let's say Genprex does blow up in about a year, or hopefully by the next January, and if it's able to at least get to $5, $7, hell, if it's able to do some fantastic movements and get up to $12.50, well, you know what I could do with these 250 contracts? Hello, I can exercise them and turn those contracts into shares, but not pay the $12.50 or whatever the hell the future price is going to be at. I will get them at the $2.50 that I originally bought this coupon right here for. That's what this is. This is a coupon. These are coupons that I hopefully will be able to use later on, if not just take the profits. But like I've said during my live stream, I plan on using these contracts to turn into shares. Just because, that's just how I'm looking at it right now. And if something changes from now till then, for some reason, or I don't like the company no more, well then hell, I'll just sell the contracts and just take the premium. You know what I mean? That's just how I'm playing this game right now. Now, there's a lot of BS going on in the world. There's a lot of, like I said, there's a lot of distractions. So you don't need to play every day. You can sit on the sideline. You don't even need to watch the game. Just please don't stop building that cash pile on the side. Balance the budget is the best fucking advice I can give you. If you do not understand a company, don't invest in it. If you do not understand fucking oh my god, what happened there? If you do not understand why the hell scammers are calling you, no, if you don't understand what's going on, why don't you just go educate yourself, ask a couple questions, figure it out. Just don't jump into something off of some other person's idea. That's the worst thing to do. Don't follow somebody else's idea. Stick to your own idea. Stick to your own conviction, and try to find companies that have something coming up down the line that you can kind of anticipate, stuff that you can guess, well, maybe this might happen by that date. Because at the end of the day, all this is a big ass guess. That's all anybody's doing. That's all I'm doing. That's all you're doing. That's all any other motherfucker out there is doing. If they're telling you it's anything but a guess, then hell, that motherfucker must have a crystal ball or something. But that's all I got for you guys. Don't sell out on anything just yet. All we need is some kind of de-escalation. And actually, we really don't need nothing for Genprex, because Genprex just needs its FDA approval, because we've been actually doing pretty well on the charts over here. Keep an eye out for that golden cross, because it looks like that 50-day is about to cross into the 200-day moving average. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, and swing by the live stream. I'm out.